So if you go in public to go and look for a man, you have a problem, brain disorder, a shower in disguise. And we are speaking to the issue that when you do this, this is the effect. That a woman with all the values that God gave you, you can go into public and look for a man. You are a shame in this place.
I'm sorry, Counselor, that is your opinion. Whatever opinion you have or you want to say, you can say it. Are you okay for you to say it?
But it's not okay. But are you okay? Say, in disguise.
No, but you don't have any. A shower in disguise. I've explained to you what my definition of a shower is. So I don't know why you are trying to look for a new definition.
Your daughter has expressed an interest in one man. Any person. Would you call your daughter a prostitute? For expressing that feeling or getting
your daughter has expressed interest in that
is right. Say
your daughter will come and tell you Kojo
right.
I want to go on a date with you.
So why should it be public?
Because it's my choice.
It's wrong.
No,
it's wrong.
Your choices are different from mine.
If it's wrong, it's wrong.
How
do you go public?
Because
you go public. No, you go public.
Because I choose. I wanted to.
Do you regret going for that program?
I don't regret one bit, and I definitely don't regret.
But I think you should apologize to Frila for calling her Ashawo. It's not fair.
You see, you are trying to make this girl say she's an Ashawo. I say, any woman who is a virgin can point a finger and say, I am not. But once you are breaking your virginity and you are not married, you have had sex in exchange of pleasure and gift. So it is prostitution. Ashawo.
Sammy, prostitution is the practice of a sexual activity in exchange for payment.
No.
And there's no sexual scandal around the program that I went through.
Stop these things.
There's no sexual scandal around it. There's no sexual. It was my choice. It was my choice to go. I didn't go there to go and open my legs and go and say, Bedimio. I didn't go and do that.
What did you look for?
I went to get a date. I didn't go say, brother, prostitution, like I said.
Can you take a full picture?
Prostitution.
Look at this.
Listen.
Look at this.
Prostitution.
Even in slippers. Turn your back.
Please.
Come on.
Counselor.
Look.
This is sexual harassment.
Counselor, please.
No, watch. Danny, who you? Danny,
don't do that. Don't do that. I don't like what you are doing. I don't like what you are doing. Prostitution is a practice of a sexual activity in exchange for payment. I did not go there to go and say, Bedimi. I went for a date. Every woman has a choice to make. I didn't go and beg.
They just told me that's what you did.
Please, what are you saying? You always have a way of twisting words.
They told me that you went to beg.
You have to stop.
No, did you go and beg a man to love you?
Counselor, I went for a date. Counselor, you of all people should know what date is.
No.
You should know what dating is.
You went to beg a man to love you.
You are always twisting people's words. And everybody knows that about you. Everybody knows that about you.
Now your family allow you to come into public and come and do this.
Everybody knows that about you.
The area you live, if everybody knows are not admiring you, can you show me your area? Let me show you an area that they can admire such a thing. Because you see, Ewes have some charisma. And she said, one ball. Connection. That's not
right.
Can you apologize to your family?
Please, Counselor, please. Why? Sammy, I have told you this. There's a difference. It's a vast difference. And Counselor, there's a vast difference.
I'm listening for the first time.
There's a for the first time. Me if you will come,
thank you very much.
Me if you will come because
no, thank you. I shall want to say. Obi I do I want to be I shall. But show cracker. Counselor,
hey.
I've not watched the thing. I'm going to watch the thing because of you. That you went and a guy who will be stressed out like you. Obi I make cry and you be a commit my second wife.
Counselor, no, Whoa, it's a member now, how do you call them? How do you call them? You don't have any right to do that to me. You don't have any right to do that to me. You don't have any.
Even when the guy is affected
for prostitution, and you know it. This is dating, and you know. As a counselor, you know. As a counselor, you know.
No, what did
you know?
I said, going to look for a date.
You are free for consoling. Maybe like I won't cry. You won't cry. It's okay.
You are taking advantage.
Don't worry. I get advantage.
Why am I?
Mimi will come back. Me why counselor Lutro. Mimi will come back.
I don't know who you are. Who you are.
Boy, no crow disappoint you.
Yeah,
boy, no disappoint you.
I'm disappointed.
And a boy, you see, boy, the cassette.
why am I girl on to me?
Cry, and after the tears.
You need to stop this name calling.
You see, Yafe, you are an ostrich, and in your beard, this is your mentality. You have a sister.
Console.
You have a sister like this. Now your sister will go through this, and you'll be happy with it. That a guy. Can you show me the face of the boy?
The girls say he be nice guy.
Who say?
The girls.
You are a man.
What to say sexual scandal be what? This show where why would you do that? Why would you do that? Counselor has some nerves. I don't know what is wrong with him. I don't know what is wrong with him.
And dirty sides. Don't go there.
So it's so difficult for him to accept that women have a choice on this planet Earth. We have choices to make, and you don't even have to say it for us because you are a man, and you can't even be a woman. I wonder how you get to understand your kids, because I don't know.
Because you have gotten to a stage where no man is coming, so you are begging men to want you. What do you mean by that? They say we shouldn't say it. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
That you are begging men to come and love you. With this body you are carrying. Shame. Shame again.
The old man.
Politician. How do you do? You know how embarrassing it is? Even when a guy is dating you in secret and he breaks up with you, see how painful it is. And you go to a program where they were supposed to be vulnerably like this, not because you have any deformity.